Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one very healthy, nutritious and easy to cook recipe. Sweet and sticky tofu. Here I took 400 gram tofu, which I'll make small pieces. I'll cut into a small bite-sized piece. After making the pieces, gently squeeze out the extra water. Press it very gently. Tofu is high in protein and contains all of the essential amino acids what our body needs. Now tofu pieces are ready. I will fry or roast in a karai. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a karai. Add those tofu pieces and fry it in a medium heat. Gently spread this tofu in a karai. Tofu is very soft in texture, so while cooking we need to be very gentle. Each side I'll cook for 1.5 to 2 minutes in medium heat. Once it starts changing the color, we'll turn and cook the other side. We'll fry it till it changes the color, till it gets light brown color. You can see the color. Now let's prepare the sauce. To prepare the sauce, here I used 1 teaspoon sriracha powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoon soya sauce and 2 tablespoon maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you can use brown sugar. In that case, you need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Mix all the ingredients together till we get a smooth mixture. If you are using brown sugar, increase the quantity please. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds to get the crunchy texture. Mix this sesame seed nicely with this sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in the karai. Now I'll add all those fried tofu pieces. And pour this sauce mixture on top of this tofu. Start mixing the sauce with tofu immediately in low heat. It doesn't take time, within 2 to 3 minutes this will be done. Our sweet sticky tofu is ready. Looks very crunchy. Let's add some veggies with tofu. You can use any veggies as you like. Here I took 5 tender stem broccoli which I chopped in a big pieces. I'll just fry it for a minute with a pinch of salt to retain the texture, the crunchy texture of it. So we'll cook for a minute to 2 minutes only. Cooking is done. Time to garnish. Garnish with some chopped spring onion and with some sesame seeds. Thanks for watching. That's all from me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.